Tinubu don't call off im birthday celebration over Abuja Kaduna train attack. National leader for the All Progressive Congress APC Bola Ahmed Tinubu don cancel the meeting wey dem organize to celebrate im 70th birthday wey suppose shele Tuesday, March 29, 2022, sake of the victims for the train wey kilikili pipo attack for Abuja Kaduna Railway on Monday, March 28, 2022. Tinubu come yarn di pipo say im dey cancel the celebration unto the incident wey shele for Kaduna. He come beg the Naija people to go house go pray make Naija win the war against evil.
I've just been informed of a very sad incident in our country. Very sad indeed. That over 60 people and many more were killed and bombed on the train between Kaduna
Abuja.
and Abuja just last night. That is a very serious incident about the security of life in this country. And it comes for a very serious, sober reflection. To me, to be here, celebrating, dancing, and enjoying myself doesn't show enough concern of a statesman as a senior citizen of this country. I will urge the two clergies who are here present to continue to pray, and every one of you to go home and pray. This event should not be holding.
Those say the numbers of losses still no dey known as at the time wey we dey yarn this story, but the attack dey true say e don gba plenty lives of the passengers. Some of the victims wey escape death include the former deputy governor for Zamfara State, Mr. Ibrahim Wakala. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.